Hello, all you lovely computer scientists. Today we're going to be showing off nested iteration, and what that is having a loop inside a loop. Another situation where this could be useful, this could be 2D arrays, this could be attack systems in games. There are a lot of situations where having a loop of a loop can be useful, and I'm going to show off what it generally means, how to do it, and the most common example of when you'll need this. So, yeah. So, in Python, you'll end up wanting to loop through another loop. This may be for multiple reasons. The main one, I think, would usually be 2D arrays. This could be... I'm just going to make a sample 2D array here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then make it a 2D array. The most common example where I feel like you'd want to loop through another loop is with 2D arrays. And this would be because instead of being shaped just in one row, it is essentially rows and columns, with each individual array being a row and each item in that individual row being a column. So I might do for list, well no, not list, because that's a command. For list in bar, so your 2D array, and then for item in list, print item. Now if I've done this correctly, yep, as you can see it's printed out every item on one. With the first iteration, which loops through each of the lists, which we'll just print off here, print lists. As you can see, it selects each row, and the second one loops through the second bit. Neither of them work without the other. You can make... Thank you very much for watching the video. I do hope you learned something, and if you did, please like, comment and subscribe, but especially comment, because I love learning how you learn, as it helps me teach people about it, and it helps me help you learn more, which is better for everybody. Thank you very much.